Hi, my name is Nitya and I'm one of the strategy members of Team 3061 Husky Robotics. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use the /edit page on Spot. First, you want to head over to your team's domain and go to the /edit page. Each of these instances is a TMP, or Team Match Performance, which is a collection of data that records a robot's actions within a match. If you find that one of these submitted TMPs is inaccurate, you can delete that TMP by clicking the trash icon to the right. You'll also see that at the top you have 3 filters: filter by scatter ID, filter by match number, and filter by robot number. The scatter ID refers to the person's name. For example, I can type in somebody's name and find all the matches they scouted for. I can also apply the same filter with the robot filter by match number and the filter by robot number boxes. That's how you use Spot/edit page. If you have any questions or concerns, reach out to us on our website in the description. We wish you the best of luck at competition this season.